everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us, and if you are preparing for any competitive examinations like SEBI, RBI, IBPS, all these examinations for the post of law officer, then you are at the right place. लीगल बी को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. इन सारे वीडियोस में आपको काफ़ी सारा हेल्पफुल कंटेंट मिलेगा. Strategic preparation videos are also available on our channel. And not only this, but do check out the online courses available on our website www.iexambee.com. आप वेबसाइट पे जाके कोर्सेज के डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं. In case of any queries, reach out to us directly on email hello@iexambee.com. Call us on this number 920-5524028 or write to us in the comment section of this video as well. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. I am continuing with my descriptive answer writing series, which is very helpful, especially in SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination. इसका phase 2 एग्जाम आने ही वाला है. जो भी लोग descriptive answers prepare कर रहे हैं, please watch the remaining videos of this series as well. This is the 20th video which I am uploading of this series. बाकी की 19 videos में मैंने अलग अलग टॉपिक्स, अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट से डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स कवर किए हैं. इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल इन योर रिविजन ऑल्सो, एंड इट हेल्प्स यू इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टेक्निक यू हैव टू यूज व्हेन you are drafting an answer. In this video series, I have taken up 250 to 300 words as the word limit, and I have discussed sample answers. आज के वीडियो में हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन पिक किया है फ्रॉम द लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप एक्ट. What is the structure of an LLP and state advantages of its formation? अगर आपको स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पूछा है और एडवांटेजेस पूछे हैं तो आप डायरेक्टली पहले तो एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं, उसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली स्ट्रक्चर पे आ सकते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन. A limited liability partnership is a type of business that incorporates the benefits of a partnership firm and a company into a single firm organization. दोनों ही के benefits इसमें मिल जाते हैं आपको. The distinguishing feature of an LLP is that it is a separate legal entity and is liable to full extent of its assets, but liability of the partner is limited to their agreed contributions in the LLP. Always, whenever you have such a word limit, directly jump to your main points. In your starting, give a background of those main points and then cover those main points directly. बिकॉज आपके पास उतना वर्ड लिमिट नहीं है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रैग कर सके आंसर को. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन LLP यू कैन डायरेक्टली पिकअप ओवर हियर. LLP is a body corporate with separate legal entity from its partners. Section 3 clause 2 of the LLP Act provides for that LLP has perpetual succession. Therefore, it shall continue to have its existence unless it is wound up or dissolved in accordance with law. Perpetual succession is a very important feature in its structure. Any change in the partners in an LLP shall not affect the existing rights and liabilities of the LLP. Change in partners जैसे वो affect करता है एक normal partnership firm में, वैसे यहाँ पे affect नहीं करता. ये structure में बताना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. What are the advantages of an LLP, which is the next part of our question? Separate legal entity. Like private limited companies, an LLP is a separate legal entity. It is distinct from its partners. Secondly, the most important point, which is reflected in the word or abbreviation LLP itself, that is limited liability. The liability is limited. LLP means limited liability partnership, which means the liability of the partners is limited to the contributions made by them. This means that they are not personally liable for any loss in business, but only liable for the contributions that are made by them. Low cost and less compliance. Compared to forming a company, the money involved in forming an LLP is low. LLPs are required to file 2 statements annually, that is annual returns and a statement of accounts and solvency. Cost काफ़ी कम होता है अगर आप compare करेंगे एक company से. Minimum capital contribution is also not required. LLPs can be formed without minimum capital. LLPs can be formed with any capital which is contributed by the partners. उसमें ऐसा कोई minimum limit या requirement नहीं होता. Coming to the conclusion now. The formation of an LLP is simple and involves less cost as compared to a company. Comparing with a partnership firm also, it is a better venture because of its limited liability feature and agreed contributions. अगर आपको LLP के स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए, always remember you have to answer and with the most important points which are reflecting its comparison with company and partnership firm. इन्हीं दोनों का अमेलगमेशन तो है LLP. तो इनके डिफरेंसेस अगर आपके डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर में पूछा है स्ट्रक्चर, मीनिंग या डिफरेंसेस, तो हर जगह आपको ये पॉइंट्स तो ऐड करने ही होंगे. रिमेंबर LLP, what are its advantages of formation and all these things. अब यहाँ पे तो एडवांटेजेस बेसिकली आपको पूछे ही थे क्वेश्चन में, सो आपको ये कंक्लूजन में ऐड करना है. बट अगर आपको पूछा ना जाए एक्सक्लूसिवली, then also you have to add a point relating to comparison of the LLP with company as well as partnership firm. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned with us. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB, and you can also download these PPTs. Keep all these question and answers with you. ये अगर आप डाउनलोड करके रख लेंगे, आप इसका प्रिंट आउट भी निकाल सकते हैं. ये आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा in keeping a record of all these question answers with you, which are also important for the examination. This also tells you how to make your answer crisp. Writing lengthy answers is easy, but writing brief and crisp answers is a task. उतने ही word limit में. तो अगर आप ये सब का benefit लेते हैं, it will be very helpful in your preparation. Try to practice answers every day or in 1 or 2 days, at least one answer. Try to write it on your own till your exam is approaching. In case of any doubts, you can reach out to us by any of the following methods, and you can also download our app from the Google Play Store. Check out the full course access available on it. Daily current affairs, daily quizzes, and all the live classes are also available on our app. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.